Oh, Fabum Name. Hey! Not sure we could out there.
You know, I'm managing. It's like I don't really get it, but then what will I do? I'll have to manage.
But be a fair sentiment, say I'm managing. Wow, I'm happy for you, dear.
Thank you, my dear.
Hey, then how's things going? Near my cousin, what brutal. A what to say? No.
For now, I think it's manageable.
Do you call this manage?
Yes, baby, I'm managing.
Hey, Monja, you watch the way you now also manage. Yeah. Hey.
We are really trying to make things work. Things are not so easy as you see, though, but we are trying our possible best to make things happen. And you know, with God on our side, we shall surely get there. So, tell me, how is Ghana treating you? How do you really feel the system?
Ghana, do I am Yana Missy? Ghana, near man kuye baku say. Just like Ghana, near crack.
Really?
It's way, Minishe. You mamma no Cobama mid.
You don't mean this?
Just a year blancasa, especially the youth.
Wow.
Yeah, blancasa.
So if I really understand you, you're telling me that you technically don't do anything.
Nothing. I'm not doing anything.
This is serious.
Oh.
You know that back in the States, we used to hear of all these complaints. People were complaining that the youth of Ghana are suffering. There's no work, there's nothing.
Oh, yeah.
But trust me, they are the people that needs to work. But I didn't really perceive it this much.
And they're no crap and
And that's the main reason for which basically I came back to Ghana.
Really?
Sure.
Wow.
Because hearing those things gave me sleepless nights. I can't just sit there and watch my people suffer. Like, no, I can't do that. So I decided to come back. I felt that if there's something that I need to do, I need to start from my motherland. Wow. Ghana is my motherland. Yes. So I decided to come back. I want to do some sort of investment which will actually benefit the youth of the country. I want to introduce the street fighters. You know, it's a game. And then here's how it goes. It's going to be fighting, but then we'll be streaming it live on social media platforms so that people will be watching live and then be making predictions just like the bets. You get that?
Okay.
They'll be betting. They'll predict who wins and all that. And it's so lucrative. I told you, my sister, it's so lucrative.
Wow.
People can make billions and multi-billions out of that. And you know, it stands out. I'm just introducing it here. Nobody knows about this. You know, the football bet is too much. This is a new one. And I know people would definitely love it. And you know me staying away for so many years, being in the States and staying there for years, I'm not so used to the system. I'm not so used to the Ghanaian system. So I need someone who is so competent, who is so vibrant and knowledgeable to take over this whole thing for me. So I need an agent. I was actually thinking that why don't I then hand it over to you? Because you're an old associate, you're power, you're my everything. So at least I got that kind of trust for you.
Okay. On some your baby. My boy crowd 1 year say. Into Bibi say Yabano, make catch on many Becca Saminim say, obey. But you're very, very hard working man.
Okay, if you say so, but you know, I was actually having issues with people that I don't really know. I was thinking that I know you better, but then I know that you will also not give me a bad person.
Oh no.
Yeah, I trust you for that. So what you do is that when you talk to him about this and he is interested, we meet and then discuss how to go about things.
Okay.
So, I mean, enjoy your drink, baby girl. Oh.
Good afternoon.
Ade, good afternoon. What you want? What pede you fear say?
Ekuma wo bisa me say me pede an wa ha dia na wo pa kire say. Na so wo bra ye me guy e na wo ye me kuma.
Why ye bia eye? We di nipa na chi sama nipa na bofom. What da so di na chi Ade. E bia na say den. Wo ban life no e fit adwuma o. And so oye fit adwuma etimi akọ bobesia. E de kakakraka to kono ma ya pam na fi adwuma mu. Wodi ne chi di ne sika ama sese kwado abofo flat.
Chaso. Nsam na wo kanyi nyina no ma ye di e na me so. Wo betina ha be di matem. O ma mbu afu awie papa. Respect na me dem so ye makuma. On sabe sa respect ne de da ho so ye makuma. Na nsoma wa ma me di wo ho ya okra keke. Anya wo nti na me nam wo brain nti na me nam. Nti pepa wo fri kwa mu na me da me be se nkwa hwehwe no. Ye la fri ho na me nkwa hwehwe no.
San wa chi kwa na me se nipa no oni ho no.
Woni ho se
kwa no oni ho. Emu de hina wonte ade waso na esisi ana se endu ahyem.
Hey. Sarah. Ade di asem. Di asem. Ena ekoso. Ade di nti na wo sesa. Ye. Siri, di ade.
Ye? Hey. What are so friend then?
Sarah. Je ne mo samsem ya. Ha? Nti wunim no.
Nti wo sister ya ball from bebrebe we nyina.
Just samfo no. Just samfo no. Why na bomb from? Baby, di asem.
Ye ncha so. Ye ncha bibia so me ba yo so ni nti oda.
Me ni we na infa na me ko. Hey, sweetie, baby. Je.
Di anu go chire. Ai radi nyankopon. Abrante we pa na me see ewia so obi owo be ma baby. Ma, me kokoro.
Hey, sa. Na obeche.
Me nche me koya de na ba.
Sa. Okay, na Oli BBC wo.
Obi a onim se no amaka cho se nda no kwa me kokoro me de BBC wo.
Na sanka wo de kakra so kokoro sanka e normal. Wo de no problem. Sa ni pay kakra bi ma me na me fa nko pe bibi ndi na mpa kakra fa yan runs. Say madam fu bi afra me sanka mbe hwe lines bi. Yeah, obetimi anya be 20 cedi bi ama me nanka. Me fa check what's up na.
Kabaj. Metimi aye dey. Up 20 cedis bi ama. Enti we serious. Breakfast ade ni mba o. Emfasa ade ni mba kra o ma bre o ade. Wo de be mbio. Na me adwuma me ye kra sei na me nya film. Sei ena me nya film. Na me bia to susu. Me bia ye aduane me ye di. Me bia enwoma nkitinkitinkinti ofie ha. Na masama ubi. Ni ba hwe ase a wo try dey. Sorry. Nsa wo so wa hwe ase na se on sorry a ka fo mo no. En sorry ko page ma bi nyena nde. This na ma me kakra na wunye sei ade. Ade. Abrabo e boko ye ni mo. E mo ko ye chi. Jaja o ka no kra.
No nie penny me. Inti tsara me hwe oda. Kai bibio. Inti tsara tama me ye aduma me wasike me anhwe. Man show. From your infancy. Ma show aba bedru se show se ni wasi agina wona so. Ma aduma sei na me ho akire me na se me gusa osika. Just only 20 cedis. Se ni osika sam me ntaye ma. Inti se me osika. E wo me ho anti wo betimi aba me nchen. Sara hwerero.
And to senior brother now kasa anyhow at Renaissance.
Busano.
Do you have to talk anyhow to him because he's broke? Laziness or broke? Say why Mr. O by say, oh by me akokru. One by so become a busu yourself. Seriously. One by so become a busu yourself. Oto ho ye den. Oto ho ye den. Ontimi go pay adwuma nye. Enti better na see e beko. Ana say me ko eja wa ha no.
Sarah.
Salah.
Don't care for me so. Hey. Hey, baby. Me am a Messiah fem.
Yes, it is.
Shama fem me near wake it way pa pen. It is see me a lazy one. When you are penning me, no jina many 20 cedis in tea. Or Kasami, just anyhow. That's it.
You say your mother that who you
Good morning.
Good morning.
That's what pronounce way. I'm Adam. So can Solomon, Master Solomon, one time. I say who say come my bros come. My other yard ma. One come say my bros come my other yard ma.
Ajuma bensa.
My bros come my other year. Me see fire container mama.
Oh, okay. Unche. enye mia adwuma no dɔɔso ohu te bibi sa na no aba ne ntem se bia obɛkae me se bia biko adwuma dɔɔso wa unua adwuma ne die also wo buy no madi kai de ma tomo materials na boy sen kam bi adwuma ma madi kai ju bi adwuma te se me wie nipa na adwuma ansa ma ba wo de no so biko wo sika kram da to materials
na mtre idin ka bro sika ansa na nipa koye de bro sika
chama
what ase enti adwuma na yesen ka wo nsa ka me ba kura na unwie kura no me hu say yes unwie adwuma no masa me pesa
chama
masa o ka bi akura mi ti
unya yen kan ba
oh masa David famisi kama nyasa me do be ko esia me life me
what me kwai
me do be ko police station sa waji misika
o da bi enu sa
oh ale ni nzuza oh masa so o ka bi akura mi
penye ti se
no
no
we chiro matini na adwuma no nyese bia ya sheda no yenye so ati ase dum so no na ama yentime nwie adwuma no sisi a enti sa se me de ke awie o de mesraw sisi a ya ase ache adwuma na ache yenim se ache o de ma ye 1 week se 1 week ne so na se oba na ye wie ya de open o de ye
e bere musika no ma disika no mo se ma automatic mo se din so o de bibia na mo ni se fufu anso mo na mo nya adwuma weda fo mo nka no kuro
ye fan share no ye chese dum so ada akofo na dum light
wo se wo de 1 week ya 1 week ni so ameba me 1 week me so ya misia kokroko
o de 1 week so na oba no nsanka o de opa oba fa police bra so oba na nsanka na o de ko why
maka na waka de ya me ko na me ba 1 week na nso wa matari na chi
o de
me ba
na o bompa so se light ni besu so why nsa o mudum ne de be yire
na dabi o na o se sa na o te onim sa adwuma na enye yetimi so gate si obe ayi ni 1 month ni obi amai
master ma anya sa aka nipa no
dabi 1 week ni so aka ye ni 2 weeks mo
ele ko ni 2 weeks why
na me kuma we
Ele kra amse ni hu no so wo chiro
me kuma ide me kasa me di na tia wa hwe fia kwa me ma akra yi
you any man
on say bibi o wa on hire bi ba wa kwemu a na bibi ababu egu kwa
bana so ya kola but kese na aba no
bend
o friend me phone so enemy di nkomo say oh good news
madam bibi o ya me classmate kra US
United States
really? Waba this week no buy na o say ehonum na omuye games bi ma youth no ma game no ka ho biawie ya no benye sky no o say o ba ha say ya be introduce bi wa ha ana me se me new
oh wow
na me se o me new be di ho ko ma hwesa we are interested in kwa dia na me na akasa.
Really? I'm very interested because this year no one Majuma said and you crowd one cry names. I don't go anywhere. So I tell you. So I'm very interested. Now a game no is about what?
No, can say Street Fighters. But me should nim musa minima the
Street Fighters. Many ajedi na so no me sheda nti nyoma bia so no aje se me amhia
no wo de ma na ha ho kra nyam kwa na me finyam poch na ko me ne obekọ ho no me ene na akodi nko
I'm ever ready. I'm ever ready. Saving prayer na kra na I'll be ready.
Oh me ho so why serious pa
I don't know because semenyawa I can't move in the life. It's me nanti.
What a shock another. Street Fighters. Another. Bet on your favorite fighter. Oh, Sadia Melaimwa. Ah, but 20 favorite fighter. Me, Kwabota. But it, Mr. Bite, the eminent.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. I'm not say.
What can I say? What street fighters?
Ah, street fighters. Where the you lame?
Well, I would like to involve myself in it.
Huh?
Yeah, my person could be.